In this video I will explain what causes a P0303 code. One of the reasons your engine may be experiencing a P0303 code is a cylinder misfire in number 3 cylinder. You may be asking yourself, what causes a misfire? One of the causes of a cylinder misfire is no fuel or too much fuel being injected in that cylinder. In a multiport fuel injection engine, if one injector stops working or starts injecting fuel continuously, it will cause a cylinder misfire. Another common cause of P0303 code is a faulty ignition coil or a fouled spark plug. If the ignition coil stops working, it won't deliver the high voltage needed for the spark plug to deliver the spark needed to ignite the fuel mixture. And, if the spark plug becomes fouled with oil or the electrodes suffer damage, it will not produce the spark needed to ignite the fuel mixture either. For vehicles that are still equipped with spark plug wires and don't have a coil-on plug setup, the cause can be a bad spark plug wire. If the spark plug wire comes in contact with the exhaust manifold or headers, it will have a burned section that will interrupt the travel of the current from the coil to the spark plug. And same as before, if the spark plug is not receiving the high voltage current needed, it will not produce the spark needed to ignite the fuel mixture. In older vehicles that are still equipped with distributor, a code P0303 can also be caused by a damaged distributor cap that is preventing the current to travel from the ignition rotor to the spark plug wire. Those are some of the most common causes of P0303 cylinder misfire code. Thanks for watching, have a great day.